Hi, my name is Vera and I am currently 30 weeks pregnant and I love to DIY. That's why we are here. Today we are here talking about a bamboo console table that I've had for a while in the house. It was missing the top, but it's time to give it a second chance. My intent with this table is to fix it, clean it, and sand it, paint it. So let's go. You're already sitting there. Where? I have this what is it? British paint. I don't know if it's for walls, but it's a water-based paint, so it could work out. We'll see how it goes. And I'm pretty sure we might need also a primer, but I don't have it. We'll see if it sticks. If not, I go buy it. So because this is a bit too grayish, if you can see, I'm gonna add a touch of yellow, like a mustard color. And I mix it in. I'm improvising. I don't know. Yeah, but it's much warmer. Before it was a bit too cold. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply some paint and then with a paper towel I'm gonna just tap and just remove some of it. No, wait. What? Rewind it? So yes, I painted it white and then I changed the idea. I felt the white wasn't the right decision. I also asked you guys on my social media. Most of you voted for the black, so I went with the black. So what I did is I painted it over in black, full color, and then I mixed some white and some yellow with the black, and I roughly painted it, sprayed with the water tapped it with a paper towel, and gave it this distressed look I was looking for. And I felt the black was more the right choice. Let's try to put some gold on. After I added the gilding wax, the gold gilding wax, I went over with the black again, just to tone it down a little bit. It felt a little bit too white. And then to protect it, I used Annie Sloan clay wax. Now back to the final result. I made over my useless, honestly, bamboo console table, and I want to try to sell it. We'll see how it goes. If not, I keep it. We'll see. Just wanted to give it another chance, give it a nice glass top, and repurpose. Mostly, that's my intention. Let me know if white or black was your decision, if it was the right decision, the black, if you like the distressed look. And let me know if you are like me. I change idea all the time. I don't know. I have so many projects in mind. I want to find a secretary desk to flip. I want to find a wine rack cabinet, entryway bench with some drawers, maybe something nice. And yeah, just stay tuned. All right, guys. Thank you.